Welcome to the Colonial building. We're facing south toward Green Street, where you can see the Green Street bus station and the Tompkins County Public Library. As we turn around, you'll see the back side of the Colonial building. We're here today to see apartment 101. This is a ground floor studio apartment with a private street level entrance. Let's head on in. As you enter the apartment, you'll see this studio has 5 pieces of furniture: a full-size bed, a dresser, a bookcase, and a desk and chair. Moving on in, you come to your kitchen, a nice corner kitchen with a refrigerator, a microwave, and an electric oven and range. On down the hall, you'll see one of the great features of our buildings, the intercom system, so you can buzz your friends in. At the end of the hall is your closet. Nice large closet, plenty of storage space. Finish in the bathroom. Spacious bathroom with a vanity and medicine cabinet and a full shower tub combo. Rent for apartments in the Colonial building includes heat, water, trash and recycling fees, and electricity. High-speed internet is available upon request. Thank you for coming on a tour of Colonial 101. Call us today for availability.